Hello everyone, greetings from Sai Technical Solutions. We are exclusive distributor of Proenix Lightning Solutions in India. You are currently looking at a Smart 72 clamp, which is a very new to Indian markets. No one is able to make a clamp like this. This is a indication for lightning connections. If you had a proper connection like this with your tanker or tanks or drums, you can get a green indication. If the connection is improper, you can get a red indications to warn you about the improper connections. You can see the quality of the clamps. This is a Smart 70 clamp.